Everybody hands in the air. Wind up on my party, girl. Wind like it's a
Yo, selector, watch
I wet the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, one. Blaze done, I'm a lot the place, you know. I'm the best comedy.
Jano star long time, I call Keisha, no G's and peace, me have to go call her. Hold on, me take up now. My iPhone, what the hell my iPhone? Alright.
What you want? Where you can move phone for?
Now for the Gold God party tomorrow, a hot thing I want tomorrow. Now where the pon?
You can ask that as long as the goal got party may forward.
Alright, me I come pick you up tomorrow at 9 o'clock is me? 9 o'clock Friday morning, yes, 9 o'clock. So just invite your friend them and thing and everything sort out, is it me?
Alright, may I invite you and my girlfriend in mobile club.
Respect for that, big up yourself, is it me? Willing.
Alright, just remember if you call me tomorrow cause like I just come from work and thing and I'm really tired, so you have to go call me in the morning whenever you leave out so we can hold a quick fresh and you know, call up my girlfriend and thing. Easy?
Mad man, me do that, is it me? Me do that. Just go and do your thing, man, is it?
My girl flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make the bumper flip like a. Put your hands in the air one time. Everybody hands in the air. Wind up on my party, girl. Wind like it's a carnival.
Yo, selector, watch out, pull up that selector.
So emotional. So wind up on my.
Hold them guy. Hey. Oh, what the kid? Yo, dog, get ready and move like Marvin too. Selector, run. Police, selector. No, selector, man. Officer, no, my party, you know. Put up your hand in my ear. No. Watch out. You know, me tell us to put up your hand in my ear.
Thanks for watching, guys. And know say y'all if you make sure to drop a like, or share, or subscribe, or click the bell. Wanna make sure you click the bell, or else you not get nothing. I wanna share. Come realize, wanna subscribe and now share the video and leave a comment. Why comment section? No. Wanna comment and subscribe and share. I'm out. Take a one trip to the shop.
What?
Never know seminar no rice. So me got a road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. And we just trust the rice. Run a one boat now. Come me too hungry.